Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show how to install Blender, Screencast Keys, Add-Ons in Blender 4.2 and how to use. Let's start. Let's see first how to install the add-ons. Now go to Edit, Preference. Here go to Add-ons tab. Now click on down arrow. Select Install from disk. Now I going to install in default path. Now search for add-ons. I have that file in download folder. Now click to install. OK. Now it's automatically checked. OK. Now close this pop-up. Now press N. Here you find that add-ons. Click it. Now check here to enable the add-ons. Now here you can change color of the mouse. OK. Now you can apply shadow. It also apply for text too. Oh. It looks very small. OK. I increase font size. I increased to 50. Now I press N. Wow, it's nice with that background. Here you can also change view background. OK. I don't want. You can move mouse keys stroke into the margin. And increase thickness to the keys stroke. Here you increase size look more visible to viewers. Now origin. This area option for to place that keys stroke in particular area. This Windows option for to place keys stroke in Windows taskbar. Finally, cursor option. The keys stroke follow the cursor. Here you can set the origin place. Align. This option for align this in center, right, left. Offset. Here you can move the keys stroke in particular axis in X or Y. Display time. Set how long the keystrokes and mouse actions remain visible on the screen before they disappear. Example, I set to 7.30 second. Let's see. OK. Max Event History option for Blender determines the maximum number of key events that will be displayed on the screen at any given time. Example, I set 10 keys stroke appear within 7.30 second. Let's see. Repeat count option, used to display repeated key presses as a single string. For example, if you press the Tab key 5 times, it will show as Tab X5, instead of listing each press separately. Show mouse events option, in used to display mouse actions, such as clicks and movements, on the screen. Mode, here 3 option. First, event history, it shows all keys strokes in words. Second, hold status, it shows like this all the keys strokes. Third, event history and hold status, this perform both the options. Show last operator, this display last keys stroke used. OK. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share the video. I see you on another useful video. Thanks for watching. Bye.